Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to edit certificates using Canva. If you want your certificate to look professional, Canva makes it easy to suit any occasion. Now, let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, we go to Templates. We can see these templates here, or at the top of the page. We can click either of those two options. Then we type in the search bar certificate. Here, we will see a pop-up with lots of certificate templates. We just have to choose one according to our preferences. Once we have chosen a template, we click on it and select Use this template. We select a template that works for our needs. Here, we can create our certificate or edit the text. For example, we can change the title to something like Certificate of Tutorials. Let's type the name here. We update the name. This is just a sample. We should also edit the signatures to match our needs. When we are done editing, we click Share in the upper right corner. Then we click Download. Once finished, the certificate is saved to our computer. And that's how you edit certificates in Canva. With our personal touches, the certificate will look polished and ready to share.